My people, I hope say una don't watch the life of Kezi. That video, it draw my liver, echo meme. How that video take draw my liver, echo meme. After first they explain just now, say, I not watch two of them, the editorial and life of Kezi video, before I climb my sister, Emmy China, Emmy Delicious, before I climb her China. You know, then my sister, Vicky Connor, he asked me question about if you dey screenshot, I will dey put the screenshot for here. The screenshot when we talked last night, because I love to clear this part. This is my channel. Anything when I say you know clear for me, I go clear them. Then if you get to anybody, you go hear my own part. She can't ask me. Now they see the screenshot for here. She can't ask me, say, Naija Daughter, I step family TV, I have two channels. If a person screenshot anything for phone, which person picture go dey down or which person name go dey down? According now the particular person when screenshot that picture, now that person picture go dey ground. If now they read the see and now this screenshot when me they do so. Now I say na Naija Daughter or na Esther Family TV, one of the way I take screenshot. Now say na e dey there. Now me screenshot am. Now person when screenshot something, now e dey. I don't even know whether na BANIGOS na screenshot or na about BANIGOS na they talk, because I never watched that video to get the, you know. Then when I come know say na BANIGOS na picture dey down, I say for me, for me, I don't look like anything. BANIGOS can come out, yes. UK request it for me. That's why I said it. Don't be bad thing. Who you blame? Now UK me blame, because if their matter not come out for street, nobody go talk about them. Nobody go put mouth. Now because of their matter come out for street, now make people they put mouth. And now who reactor? Two of now come they talk. I don't say two of now fit make friends, two of now fit talk. But now reactor, you can't call, say may send you the screenshot. If the reactor get it, go send that for you. Then if you make video for them, go see you and make video for you. Then if you get sense, no be person will tell you, say, see as you want to do one, or see as you take do. Or let's no. This no, we are all adults. We are all adults. Now wait till now bring come out for social media. Now we react to. The one when I don't like, say, I will not be waiting I say for social media. Then I'll come go the trigger matter, they come outside. Or the brick issue. Or go they meet somebody, say, editorial talk, just I never know who be that person. Go they meet somebody, when you don't stay with that person, say, you come and talk, then I'll come use that and react. When I don't already know, that one not good. That one not good. But do you have this screenshot? It can send out to anybody. Then that person picture, when they see for that, now I screenshot her. Because if I screenshot, now as I see the display, if I screenshot, now my name, now go dead there. For me, if BANIGOS screenshot and send it to UK, now UK bring the family come outside. Now UK see, now he say, people, see as now one no consign us. You ask me something, I give out to you. How it can't be bad? You can't go use and do something. Then me carry the video, I react to it. It don't make sense for me. I don't know how you say, and my opinion and your opinion can never be the same. Drop your own opinion. That one and that one. Now for delicious Emmy live stream. As I just they talk, now one woman just climb. I don't even know this woman where you for come. I don't even know you for anywhere. Me and you never would jam. I don't know editorial. I don't know editorial family. Now waiting they carry come out for social media. Now I react to it. Anything, maybe my own come out tomorrow. People can't react to it. They will come say na me. I can't they blame people. If your thing not come out, nobody go talk put. Then this mama be this woman be this auntie. It just carry the matter. Me say this person make children they come out for house. Mama come, I beg. I get mother and I don't still be mother. I get mother. My mother, I don't know how I want to put her. I get mom. And I grow up with my mom to become adult. Before I come up from my mama house, go stay with my senior brother. I get respect for my mom. I get respect for my senior. And I get respect for my father. As you want to paint me for that live stream yesterday, I don't like it. Your opinion and my opinion can never be the same. Your opinion and my opinion can never be the same. Yes. Now this is what I want to try to clear for you. Editorial don't come up for house. Now editorial papa. You know the street. You know they see social media. Wait till they happen. Stepfather, they maltreat children. Stepfather, they would they get they do vaga their stepdaughter. Stepfather said if they do their stepdaughter anyhow, you know they see her. You see person that will put sugar or tea for a man to go say na bitter leaf she want. And this particular editorial when they talk, so he buy car for his stepdad. I said we don't know what it really happen. If na Europe when I did to that editorial don't big, they go reverse this man. Why you run come off for house? Waiting three, they want try wake up because they don't know say don't they on her own. This matter they will take am up again. In fact, this France where I dey. Why you run comot for house? They want know who dey that Nigeria. We want know now. Say why editorial run comot for house? Where it can be teenage life. My mama no be, they do me well. But pikin when they read they do well when they don't die papa and mama. How you want to run comot for house? The only when she will take run comot for house, no friend boy. You go run follow with the boy. Editorial not run follow boy because his sister for those little can. Editorial run comot go stay on her own. The house down. Then go stay with his auntie before his sister and this editorial and a UK family get fight. Why editorial not go back to the house? If the house they peaceful to run, I said this one a family matter. Maybe they not bring father and mother own matter inside because me and you, mama, auntie, me and you not dey the house. Waiting really happen to editorial where you make editorial run come off. How they encourage young girls to run come off for house? Me I run come off for house. I'm not ever run come off for house. I stay with my mom. I stay with my brother. See, I did where I did today. I not run come off for house. Before a young girl run come off for house, you not know what happen. We dey see how stepfather take dey buy children today. I ask you, I said Editorial dey alive now, and she don't. In fact, she don't dey try for herself. Or than she died that time because of may she not run come off for house. May she please people, many people when they say running this that. Which one you prefer? You say that they use and they make money. Waiting person not be by. I don't know how I want to talk. Waiting you not fit do. If other people they do, clap hand. To react not easy. To bring your own opinion, make people see and say, this, it's not easy. Your opinion and my opinion can never be the same. May you not still know that one. Then I ask you, you want to talk, you say, a husband, brother, that they make video. Mama, auntie, now you talk to so. That woman when you attacked me for Emmy China yesterday. I tell you, say, they use and they make revenue. They use and they make view. You want to talk to me, say, what that mean not say they use and they make revenue. You know me for anywhere. I beg. Maybe you for know me. Me and you don't fair drag anything before. I don't understand. You don't first know me for somewhere. Everybody can like you. Maybe you are the type when you not just send when you not like me. And I take it like that. My channel, now I don't tell you last night. Now the niche of this channel. Anything I see for street, I talk my opinion. Go and open your own. Talk your own opinion. Drop am for ox. We go wash. My opinion and your opinion can never be the same. If I can't make revenue, how much you say YouTube they give? How much you say this video why they do now? How much you say I go make out of it? How much? How much? You want to make me you want to make people they look say, hey, this guy they act. I beg go. I don't dare Africa place. I dare Europe and I dare France. Give respect to those who deserve respect. If my mom, maybe my mom attack person pikin anyhow, the person pikin can't give out to her. If I see her, I will tell my mom say yes, you not do well. You know me say everything Africa. See this one. I said they attack me yesterday. It's like you know me for somewhere. You talk your opinion, me talk my opinion. Why you just they drag my own? And those commenters, Naija Daughter don't want to take correction. Which correction don't ever give me? Why I not take? I know you for anywhere. You drop your own opinion on my comment section, and I talk my own. Now commenter now they drag this matter now. Dropping comment, insulting a child. Then she react. We say no. If you not insult your sister children, now I make this matter see the stretch so. Now react or they do their job for their channel. They will now come to view to drop. Not be saying I be team editorial or I be team UK. As you see the truth, bring am. Now go they bring I be team this, I be team that. No, this not they work like that. When you see the truth, if now would depends when you love, when you they support, blast her. Tell her say this part is not good. Then the person go they see himself. Not be by team this, team that. This not a good like that. Now wait I want try to clear. Now be this. I don't know you for anywhere. I beg. I bring myself to do to talk for people matter. What if you can't get problem tomorrow now? You know use police. Police not your friend. They'll say police not your friend. But you bring her come outside. You go carry police because may they protect you. Or you go carry and go court. You go say lawyer till they talk. As far as they bring their matter, they come outside. That is the niche of our channel. We go still talk put. We go talk put. Well now they say we they put fire for family. I enter their house. Now the reactor when they use phone they pursue the up and down. Now go talk say if they put fire. Person like me why I don't even know them for anywhere. Now wait till I see for social media now I talk put. Then you're not supposed to say I they put fire. And for my own, I don't let they say make they try, make they quench the matter. If they quench the matter, they use phone they call them. When this joy come outside, I always they get something and lie. Somebody behind it. Wait till you not bring come out. You put title editorial for your video. If she really bad to you, you go title her. Why you just come for me so I encourage young girls? say make they leave their papa house. Me, I leave my papa house. I don't leave my papa house. If you know my father na no nonsense man. You know they take nonsense for children. Koboko na my papa get am. He discipline ox. But my papa discipline us. Not me say you turn old. You want to use me. You want to use me take do. You want to use me take brush your teeth. No, I be mother now. I be mother. Respect me. I respect you. Don't talk to me anyhow for online or for my comment section. Your teeth I will just take count like that. No. I will tell you what you do not good or what you do. I'll clap hand for you. I get mom. I respect my mom and I love my mom and I love those who love their mom. I always preach out for my channel. If you take care of your mom, take care of your mother-in-law. And not be person when they disrespect person. But not make me disrespect you. That one, I be that. I be adult now. You be person when senior me, elderly person, not me say, I don't get my left off from my right. How you just attack me for live stream? For what? Now this one I get to talk my people. I just want to clear that particular woman. When you just attack me for delicious Emmy yesterday for China. Where you foresee me? You know me for anywhere. Where? That is the niche of my channel. Go and open your channel. Talk your opinion. My opinion and your opinion can never be the same. Let us know that. The life of Casey, for me, what I really see for there. Now BANIGOS, now screenshot that screenshot. Because now BANIGOS name 9 day. Yes. And for her to me screenshot, all of us when you react to, all of us will screenshot. Me I screenshot and for, we are, be like say na editorial house I for screenshot and. I screenshot, everybody screenshot. And life of Casey, as you say, they attack people, they insult people. See, they carry and come down, okay? You know, good. I feel your pain. Say, person when he be a friend to your sister, they put for after I don't drop video, after I don't talk to your sister for back, your sister can't make video, can't see you and make video. Then that one they vex you. I see your part. It can happen to you know this life, no matter what you they do, always put people for your shoe. If you can put people for your shoe, say this shoe when I wear so, yeah, they pay me for leg. If I give that person and say get the same of my size, I go see they pay that person, you go know how to treat person well. I go know how to handle things. I feel her reaction. But that insult for not insult. You can react to what something without you not insult. Yes, BANIGOS can send the screenshot. Wait till read it. Not because I join BANIGOS, because I know BANIGOS for anywhere. But as me just then a person request something. Maybe me with and they talk. Maybe I don't tell her and say, stop. She don't want stop. Then I drop video. That is the niche of my channel. I go blast her. Then now say na me said that yes, I'll come and sit down and say, na me. BANIGOS, try come outside. If now you resend her, but for me, as I see her, that screenshot, now you resend her. Or maybe you not send her to Ekeme direct. Maybe you screenshot and send her to somebody send her to Ekeme. Maybe like that. Because now your picture now take down. Let us tell ourselves the truth. For that screenshot, but for editorial own, I don't know who editorial they point finger for. Let's wait till editorial or Joy come outside. My people, I'm trying to get to talk, okay? If I offend anybody with this video, because I just last night, my people, I will draw my words. My heart phone, they ring. I will draw my word. If I offend anybody, I will draw my words, okay? I'm loyal, I'm humble. I still remember una Naija daughter, eh? You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.